Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook dry okra with groundnuts. First, let's prepare our main ingredients. You'll want to soak your dry okra pods in warm water for about 30 minutes to rehydrate them fully. While the okra soaks, roast 1 cup of raw groundnuts until they are a lovely golden brown. After roasting, remove their skins and grind them into a coarse paste. This preparation ensures a rich, flavorful base for our dish. Now that our okra and groundnuts are prepped, let's start building the flavors. Heat about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot over a medium flame. Add 1 finely chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing them until they become wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Next, drain your rehydrated okra thoroughly and add it to the pot, stirring gently for about 5 minutes to allow it to absorb the aromatic flavors. With the okra sautéed, it's time to introduce the star ingredient, our groundnut paste. Stir this rich paste into the pot, making sure it's thoroughly combined with the okra and the fragrant aromatics. Now, let's season our dish. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Finally, pour in 2 cups of vegetable broth and bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer. Our dish is almost ready. Once the mixture reaches a gentle simmer, cover the pot and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the okra to become tender. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent any sticking and ensure everything cooks evenly. Once done, your delicious dry okra with groundnuts is ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with rice or a traditional side like fufu. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.